Good morning, welcome to the channel. If you are new, you are welcome, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you.
Yeah, look how big is that? Maize. Look at that. That's the sukuma wiki. Very nice. Yeah, look at that, guys. Dodo. Very green. Nice. And look at that. There. Very nice. So we have something to plant. It's all mixed here, guys. You can see sukuma wiki, the cowpea, corn, that's dodo, and then sukuma wiki. Nice. Yeah. There we go. And the corn, which is ready for harvest. Look at that, guys. How amazing is that? Yeah. Very nice. May have more corn there. It's quite a lot of veggies here. And corn. Yeah. So, look at that. It's drying up. So it's all drying up. See, when you touch it, it's dry. Yeah, it's drying up. So when this is drying up, it means the corn is ready. See, it's all drying up. And here is dry as well. So when you leave that to dry completely, you know, the seed will be really hard. It will be hard to eat. But see, it's ready. So if you pull that out, it's already dry as well. Yeah. So which means it's ready for harvest. Even if it's still green, but it's still ready for harvest. Yeah, guys, that's how I can tell. What do you think? How do you tell when the corn is ready? Do you peel that and check, or you tell by this? Because what I know is when this is dry and the corn is ready as well, or else when it's dry here, see, when that is dry, very dry, and it's ready. So that's how I can tell. For sure it's ready, so we'll harvest tomorrow. Nice. There you go. And for this one is really easy to tell because you can see it's brown, and when it's still fresh, see it's green. There, green. So which means it's not ready. Yeah. So when it's green, still not ready. When it's brown, it's ready. So that's how I can tell. Yeah, that's it easy, but for corn is a bit tricky and it's hard. Yeah. So I'm sure in the dry season you can see the corn is drying up, but here because I water most of the time, so it's really hard to tell. It's not drying up. So I can tell it's ready by checking that. See, when it's dry there, it's ready. Or else you check up here. Is that dry? Yeah, and then it's ready. Yeah, cool. Alright guys, thank you very much. Thanks you for watching my video. Please comment down below, like and subscribe. That's really big one there. Very nice. Nice. Look. They are just climbing up. And it's climbing, look. It goes all the way. That's another leaf. It reaches there. And it's going all the way up on the top. Look guys. It's right there. Just climb up. Yeah. And it's good. Very nice. We got quite a lot here. There. That is another one. And another one. So we have something to celebrate for this year. Yeah. So more planting next year. Look at that. It's amazing. That's awesome. We plant one and we came up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds. Even if it's not many, but I'm still celebrating, guys. So happy for that. Yeah. So now we got a seed. Forever we're gonna eat veggies. We got a veggies. I love veggies, guys. Look. Plant one seed and came with all this. Look at that. Is that not something to celebrate, guys? I have to celebrate this one, eh? Yep. So really happy, because when you plant something and something is coming out of what you planted, it's really good. It's amazing. To be honest, I love gardening. Yeah, and I love cooking as well. Look, it's amazing. Over here, very good. Nice. And then this is luge. Look at that. It's growing, still growing. Yeah, I was looking for seed, so it's still growing. And look at that. Look at that. So nice. Another one. Look at that. Another corn.